Different. This is Mr. Solo speaking. In this video, I'm going to explain this setup which I've already compiled. So let's agree to one thing and disagree in the comment section. So I'm going to explain to you the structure of Nasdaq. The structure. So every market has a structure. If there is no structure, then there won't be a movement. So here you can see how this structure looks. You can see. So without wasting time, let's try to make it a little bit closer so that, yeah, okay. So you see how the market is behaving. It's consolidating. A consolidation is the state in the market whereby we just seeing the market moving in between a support and resistance. Support is this one on the downside, and resistance is this one on our upper side. Okay, so the market structure of Nasdaq US 100 H4, which is every candlestick represents 4 hours. This is H4. But then those are just basic knowledge which we shouldn't even talk about. So from here the market to what? Touches support, comes to resistance. Then when it's time to go, it goes up. It goes up and breaks this resistance. Then turn it into support, which now is a support here. Then it also formed a resistance up here. You see? So the market, that's what it moves in a form of consolidation and a breakout. So after breaking out here, then it consolidated again. It consolidated again here. It consolidated. Then after consolidating there, then it did what? It broke down and went all the way down. You see? Then the moment it came all the way here, it did the same thing again. It consolidated. You see? Then after consolidating, it did what? It had to move for a long time because it comes all the way from this zone on the left, this zone. So it had a long way to go, which it had to do what? To move in a form of a trend which is here. Here, this is an uptrend, you see? And it had to be longer because the market did what? It consolidated here. Instead of going up, then it went all the way down here. You see? Which forms a long movement for us to go up because the market had to break this level and go up. So it broke it. Then after that, it went all the way up. You see? When it came here, when it arrived here, it did consolidated again. It consolidated again. Which consolidation, you know what it is. I explained it. It's a state whereby the market moves, takes its time, induces traders and collect contracts, blows accounts, and those who experience, they make money from it. Like it's a good thing, even it's a toxic one. But the market will always be toxic if you don't have proper guidance and proper experience. So from here again, the market did what? Went all the way down. Instead of breaking to the upside, it broke to the downside, which forms a problem again, whereby the market will have to go up for a long time because it went down, consolidated down, and from there it did what? It broke and went all the way up. You see? You see? It has to break what? This on our left side. This. 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 It has to break it and go up. You see? Now the market is here. It's here. It's doing the same thing. The market is doing the same thing. It's doing the same thing. It's doing the same thing. So, one thing I know why I believe that the market will not go up, it's because, like, let me show you something. The market has been going up, down, up, down. So for now, the market doesn't have a reason to go up. I know, like, there is this. Let me show you. There is this here, this zone here, which we believe that the market has to come to. But the market doesn't behave like that. It doesn't want to work on our time whereby we believe that it has to come here, to come all the way up here. No, it doesn't work like that. It's going to take time, a lot of time, months, days. You understand? So now let's say we are here and having a double top, which can simply tell us that the market has a high chance of dropping from here. You see, plus it's been consolidating and going up, consolidating and going up. Our previous consolidation was up. You see, it broke to the upsize from our previous consolidation. And when you check, we do not have anything like a continuation pattern here. We don't. So, which means that from here we can say the market can drop. And another thing we should know is that nobody knows the direction of the market, but we just look at the market, the structure and behavior, then we apply every experience we have, then we decide. You see? And our decision will always cost us money. And at the end of the day, it's going to pay us a lot of money, or it's going to take money from us. But then we should always try to minimize the risk. So anyways, thank you guys. So this setup, I'm going to compile a video whereby I show you how to do this thing, because I just found that, okay, fine, if I had to start from compiling this setup, then it was gonna take time, like 20 minutes, or which is I didn't want to waste time, because time is money.